Welcome to this video where we'll be travelling by Thameslink from Sutton to Streatham. The station was opened in 1847 by the London, Brighton and South Coast Railway. The Class 377 unit we see here is waiting to depart for London Bridge, having started its journey at Epsom Downs. If you would like me to cover this line, please let me know in the comments below.
We will shortly be arriving at Sutton.
Sutton was opened in 1868, again by the London, Brighton and South Coast Railway.
This station is Sutton. This train terminates at St Albans City. The next station is Bridge.
I'm going to have some fun though. Good. Yeah, but my hair. So the windy weather, I had to take it out because it was like, I had to put it on when you get to the gym. Hey Mum, to be honest, I don't really, to be honest Mum, you know with the jelly, I'm a patient person for some things, but not everything, you know. But I can wait for jelly, I guess. Yeah.
We now pass over the River Wandle.
We will shortly be arriving at Bridge.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Again, Hack Bridge was opened in 1868. It is the nearest station to the close by Beddington Park, not to be confused with the Beddington Farmlands Nature Reserve, which we run alongside as we leave Hack Bridge.
That's a nice car. Huh?
This station is Hack Bridge.
I love you. Only stairs there.
This train terminates at St Albans City. We will be calling at Mitcham Junction, Mitcham Eastfields, Streatham, Tulse Hill, Herne Hill, Loughborough Junction, Elephant and Castle, London Blackfriars, City Thameslink, Farringdon, London St Pancras International, Kentish Town, West Hampstead Thameslink, Cricklewood, Brent Cross West, Hendon, Mill Hill Broadway, Elstree and Boreham Wood, Radlett, and St Albans City.
So many stations.
Attention please. The next station is Mitcham Junction, which has a short platform. If you wish to alight here, you must be travelling in the front 7 coaches. Please ensure you are travelling in the correct part of the train.
Look, Mum, this is very commanding.
They really like each other.
Yeah. Hey, Mum, I wouldn't have pulled my power back. The thing is, died.
Rail and tramlink services.
Mum, is that what you have to do now? Joe, this is what comes around.
Mitcham Junction opened again in 1868 as a junction between the South London and Sutton Junction Railway and the Wimbledon and Croydon Railway.
This station is Mitcham Junction. This train terminates at St Albans City. We will be calling at Mitcham Eastfields, Streatham, Tulse Hill, Herne Hill, Loughborough Junction, Elephant and Castle, London Blackfriars, City Thameslink, Farringdon, London St Pancras International, Kentish Town, West Hampstead Thameslink, Cricklewood, Brent Cross West, Hendon, Mill Hill Broadway, Elstree and Boreham Wood, Radlett, and St Albans City.
Mum, can you relate to this? So there are so many stations, the only thing you want to do is get to the last station, like, just get off.
shortly be arriving at Mitcham Eastfields.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
His phone doesn't get notifications, he only sees it when he goes on the iMessage app.
Yeah, well, don't worry about that.
He takes it in when he wants.
Yeah. When I'm taking it today, I'm finding it.
Because
I'm looking around, see what shops are nearby, and I'll eat a couple of bits and then
did you bring some water?
no, so I'll get some in the shop.
Right.
Mitcham Eastfields opened on the 2nd of June 2008.
Sometimes you
I
know,
can't remember everything, so I'll try my best.
I'm not rushing you. I'm just saying.
Unusually for London, Mitcham Eastfield Station has staggered platforms either side of a level crossing.
Much to remember that you forgot.
Well, I've been busy all morning before I got you downstairs. I had to do the washing up, fold up a sheet, get James back in the bedroom, into the bedroom, get another sheet in, put that in the time tomorrow, put another washing up, then like trying to find out the train time.
And all that stuff.
This station is Mitcham Eastfields. This train terminates at St Albans City. We will be calling at Streatham, Tulse Hill, Herne Hill, Loughborough Junction, Elephant and Castle, London Blackfriars, City Thameslink, Farringdon, London St Pancras International, Kentish Town, West Hampstead Thameslink, Cricklewood, Brent Cross West, Hendon, Mill Hill Broadway, Elstree and Boreham Wood, Radlett, and St Albans City.
What station are we getting off? Hey Mum, you know when I go back to that stuff with the AI on food, I'm really tempted to send this picture and see what me and Molly do with the AI.
That'd be fun. What do you do? Yeah.
I wonder, imagine if we ended up kissing. Me and Molly.
Tell me you want.
No, but the AI does it.
No, I know. I know the AI can do it, but I'm talking about you.
What about
Do you know?
She's not my type, but if the AI does it, then I can't control it.
If
Can
you
I?
send it to her.
Fuck no, in your dreams. She'll probably think, what the fuck is this you're sending me? She'll probably be watching me. I think, what the hell is this? You know what I mean?
Yeah. She might think, oh, he fancies me.
I told her, we were talking about boyfriend girlfriend for me and Molly on Friday.
Oh, yeah.
I just told her, she said, would you like a girlfriend? Molly said, I said, yeah, but not my type. And James Phillips said, well, at least he's honest. She's not my type, I don't like me.
Just before entering Streatham, we cross over the Brighton main line.
I just see her and Molly, that's it.
Yeah, your mate. She's just your mate.
That girl's not having any
What was
guys.
she offering to be a girl?
She was Felix's ex.
Yeah, I know. She's saying, well, she wants me.
I keep on about it, don't I?
What about?
Girlfriend, I need a girlfriend.
Does she think that you meant her?
Probably, but I said, no, sorry, not my type, sorry about
Yeah,
that.
good for you. It's best to be honest.
I like Stuart Hill. It means they're my type, and I really like them.
Streatham was again opened in 1868.
So, Mum, I'm sorry that you're busy all the time,
I'll help you.
because it ain't
I'll
going to
get
do
through.
itself.
No one's going to come and save me.
Unless
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share and consider subscribing, as this will considerably help the channel grow.